Presenting the unboxing of Avermedia NX215 Carrier Board for NVIDIA Jetson Xavier NX, TX2 NX, Nano version V01 module. Avermedia NX215. Avermedia's NX215 Carrier Board supports NVIDIA Jetson Xavier NX, TX2 NX, Nano modules. Enables new embedded IoT applications with full analytics. Designed for industry applications with spatial concerns. Rich assortment of input-output ports for rapid AI solution development. Supports seamless deployment for demanding bus and NES applications. Offers customizable BSP services, flexible MOQ, and NVIDIA's Jetpack SDK. DC port, Gigabit Ethernet RJ45, USB 3.0, HDMI port, power button. 20-pin expansion terminal blocks. Input power ATX power 4P. Recovery button. Micro SD card slot. M.2 E-key slot. M.2 M-key slot. USB 2.0 micro B connector. FPC connector for 2-lane MIPI, CSI2. USB 3.1 Type A connector. 260-pin SMD socket for Jetson Nano Jetson TX2 NX, Xavier NX, Oran NX. External RDC battery wafer. FPC connector for 4-lane MIPI, CSI2. Fan wafer. Technical specifications is given below.
Thank you for joining us on this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest from Tanna Tech Biz. Together, stay connected.